The recent SCOTUS rulings on wetlands could have a domino effect across the U.S.
There are a lot of states that really don't have any other protections.
But wetlands in Anoka County are safe from future development.
I'm not worried about it on a local or a state level.
Thanks to a firewall of protection called the Minnesota Wetlands Conservation Act, pristine areas like the Blaine Wetland Sanctuary won't be impacted by less regulation.
We really have a pretty robust wetland protection and wetland management rules that kind of take care of everything. Those wetlands are still protected by the Wetland Conservation Act and still will be.
This is good news for North Metro resident Kelly Fultmer. She uses the boardwalk at the Blaine Wetlands often and enjoys the scenery and serenity of this natural setting.
I love having it here, and I'm so grateful that it is protected. It's a way to get from my house. I can essentially walk right out my door and go 2.5 blocks, and I'm right in the wetlands, which is fabulous.
This wetland is teeming with wildlife. There are colorful birds, waterfowl, wildflowers, trees, and wide open horizons.
A lot of natural areas.
According to Becky Wozni of the Anoka Conservation District, the Wetlands Conservation Act does not stop development, but controls it.
It can be frustrating maybe for individuals at times because they can't build exactly what they wanted. But to be honest, look at this. There are folks, those houses there are going to have a higher value because of this wetland sanctuary. When people come to Blaine, this is one of their showcases. This is what they put on their website because there's the boardwalks and things like that. It's an open space.
When you boil it down, protecting these natural areas is a win-win.
It adds great value to our properties and our quality of life.
Aesthetically and for quality of life and even for your housing stock, it really raises the value.